guys, today I'm going to cook a chicken breast and pasta sauce. So let's get roasting. I'm going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. It fits right in my toaster oven, my air fryer oven. So it's lightly oiled with avocado oil. And I have some chicken here, the boneless chicken breast. Now these were thin sliced. I was just going to use regular chicken breast and cut it in half. And they'd be a little thicker that way, so it'd take a little bit longer to cook, but this was all they had, so I'm just going to go with this. These were $7.49 a pound, so I think the sliced stuff was about 50 cents a pound more. So anyway, like I said, it's all they had, so I'm just going to take a slice of that, lay it in there like that, and I'm just going to season it with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Probably not really the best choice for this, but it's what I have and it's what I use a lot. If you had a chicken seasoning or Italian seasoning, that might be better. You just kind of, use whatever you like or what you have. And then we'll take some, this pasta sauce. This is Yo Mama's marinara sauce. I got that at the grocery outlet. So what I have, I've been eating these for a couple days, just trying this out and seeing how it worked. So, like I said, this is a little thinner than if I cut the chicken breasts in half. So the cooking time will be a little faster. I'll just kind of keep an eye on it and see. And okay, I'll just cover it with the sauce like that. And then I have some shredded cheese there, but I'm not going to put that on till the end. I'll pull that out and add that at the end because I'm afraid it might burn. So now I'll get that into the toaster oven. I have the oven rack right in the middle. We'll get the chicken in there. This pan fits right in there. And I'm going to use the air roast setting and have it set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll keep an eye on that. When it looks about done, we'll add the cheese. It's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to pull this out. I hear it popping and stuff. That looks good. I'm going to add the cheese now. This is cheddar jack cheese, shredded cheddar jack. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want though. I mean, it's up to you. Same with the sauce. Just use whatever kind you like. Alright, we'll get that back in the oven and let that melt. I'll just keep an eye on that until the cheese melts. It's been a couple of minutes, so about 17 minutes total. Let's see how this looks. Looks good to me. This looks good. We'll just cut right into the thick part here. Got a little bit of crustiness on the edges there. Kind of like that. We'll cut into that breast right there. Looks good. Cooked through. Looks juicy inside. Let's try a bite. That came out real good. Kind of like chicken Parmesan, but without the breading. I guess we'll let Annie try it. I scraped the sauce off for her. There you go, Annie. Inhaled. So the cooking time on that was 17 minutes, but it'll probably take longer if you use a thicker piece of chicken. And also these little ovens vary, so you just have to keep an eye on it. And just use the, the seasonings and the sauces that you like. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.